guys, in today's video I have some pretty awesome jewelry to show you from an Etsy store called Doxazo Designs, and I want a giveaway from Kelly's Unboxing Addiction, so I'm going to share that with you as well. And also I'm going to be announcing the winner of last week's giveaway. So if all of that interests you, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you a small haul from a little business called Doxazo Designs on Etsy, and I want to give away from Kelly, and her new channel name is Kelly's Unboxing Addiction. I think we all have one of those. I'm just saying. Nonetheless, that's what I'm going to share with you in today's video, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're going to start with the giveaway that I won from Kelly, and again, her channel name is called Kelly's Unboxing Addiction, and although she does do a lot of unboxings on her channel, she also does product reviews, and she shares ways that you can save money or like get money from certain apps. If you spend so much money, they'll put some money in your PayPal account. I really don't know how it all works, but if you want to know how it works, jump over to her channel and check it out because she does explain it for you. So if you haven't made it over to Kelly's channel, make sure that you check her out, and she has a ton of fun giveaways like this one. So here's my little package from Kelly. Now, she had a ton of stuff that she was giving away, and what you did is in the comments below, just put the things that you were interested in, and I'm not an extremely lucky person. I mean, I put in for quite a few of the giveaways, but I only won 2. That's okay. I'm totally happy with that. Who wouldn't be? Free stuff. So we have a card. Let's see what we got here. Open the card. Oh, it's so pretty. Nice, pretty card. Loving that. Okay. So it says, Amber, keep being sweet. Oh, and sweet. That's awesome. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, Kelly. Awesome. Okay, so we have a nice little card in there, and then I won a couple of Ipsy bags. So I won this Ipsy bag, and although I did get this Ipsy bag because I was subscribed to Ipsy at the time that we, got this bag, I am going to use this for gifts. These are great things to put gifts in, so that's why I put in for like all the Ipsy bags, because I use them as gifts. So I'm really excited to have this one. And then this one was the one I was super excited about. It says, and off she went to change the world. Yes! Now, she thought that I got this one for one of my nieces, but actually I got this for myself because that's what I'm off to do. I'm off to change the world. So this little bag's for me. I'm going to put some little stuff in there and put it up where I can display it because, I'm off to change the world. What can I say? One video at a time. Okay, so that covers everything that I got for my winnings from Kelly. Again, make sure you check her channel out, Kelly's Unboxing Addiction. She has all kinds of stuff that she has going on there, and I'm sure that you will love watching her channel as much as I do. So let's jump into what I got from Doxazo Designs. Okay guys, now we're going to jump into my little haul from Doxazo Designs. Now, I did only buy one thing from there, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I wanted to give her business a little bit more exposure. She has a really cute Etsy store where she hand makes jewelry. She hand makes the jewelry, and it is beautiful. She has a ton of great options, great prices, free shipping. I mean, come on guys. You really need to go check out her store, so make sure that you do that right after you're done watching this video because she has a lot of things that she has up there, and it's changing all of the time. So she has a lot of fun pieces of jewelry that I think anyone would enjoy. So let's jump into what I got from her. So here's my little bag. Yay! So let's see what's in here. Ooh, super cute. Aw, look how cute that is. She packages it up so nice and cute, and it says thank you on the back there. So let's pop this puppy open and see what I got. Super. Ooh, we got some squiggly doos. Boo-boo-boo. I'll reuse those, I'm sure. Ooh, there's more stuff in there. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So that's really cool. We'll set this down here. This is what I actually got from her. She's doing these hammered metal copper bracelets. Yeah, that's what they're called. Sure. I'm sure I'm popping it up for you guys because I might have totally messed that up. But look at how pretty this is, guys. Look at how pretty this is. And again, she hand makes these. This is so super pretty. So I'm really excited about this. We're going to plop it on. Ba-bam, ba-boom. Look at how pretty this is, guys. Wow. I'm so excited. When I saw that she was making these, I was like, oh my gosh, they are so unique and different. I have to get myself one. Now, they are a little pricey, but you have to understand that this is a handmade item. Anytime I'm paying for something handmade, I'm definitely willing to pay a little bit more money than I normally would because I know that somebody took a lot of time to make it and it's 100% worth it. I'll pay more for handmade any day of the week. And then there's something extra in here. How exciting. I love extras. Woo! So let's see what we have in here. Oh, we have a nice little card. So let's grab that first. Oh, how sweet. It says thank you. And on the back it says, thank you for your loyalty and support. I hope you enjoyed these complimentary earrings as a show of my appreciation. Doxo Designs. Oh, you didn't have to do that, Emma. I'm so happy that you did. How sweet. Oh, what a sweet, sweet girl. Okay, so let's check them out. Woo! Yes! I mean, oh, these are so pretty. Look at how pretty these are, guys. Oh, if I can stop them from moving. There you go. Look at how pretty they are. There's a really nice detail. Look, I don't know if you guys are getting this. I hope that you are, but I'm liking that little glittery detail there. And this is like a coppery thing. This is going to go great with my bracelet. Let's pull the bracelet back out. Let's put everything together. Look at that. Yes, I can wear this as a set. How cute is that? Oh, what a nice surprise. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh, I'm so excited. So again, guys, this is handmade jewelry, Doxo Designs. You can find their store on Etsy. I will link it in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. I absolutely love everything that I've gotten from her so far. These earrings also came from Doxo Designs, and I got a couple of other pairs of earrings that I used in giveaways that I got from her as well. They were absolutely beautiful, very well made. Check her out, guys. I mean, come on. It's the holidays. Everybody's spending money. Why not spend it on a small business? It's 1,000% worth it. Okay, guys, now I'm finally ready to announce the winner of last week's giveaway. Now, I provided a full set of rules in the description box, but I always like to cover that YouTube is in no way involved or affiliated with this giveaway. It is 100% on me. So in order to let me know that you wanted to be entered in for this giveaway, you needed to say hello to my son, Noah. So anyone who left a comment below saying hello to my son in that video will be entered in for this giveaway. So without further ado, let's see who won this thing. Yay! Joiner DK1! I hope that's how you pronounce your name. You are the winner of the $25 gift card. And yes, I did check. They are subscribed to both my channel and Casey's channel, so they are the winner of this giveaway. I'll give you, I don't know, a week to go ahead and claim your $25 gift card. All you need to do is send me an email at ameeks@ambazars.com to let me know that you are the one who won this contest, and I will get everything set up for you. So a huge congrats to Joiner DK1, and for those of you that didn't win this giveaway, don't worry, there'll be more coming very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have a lot more fun things going on my channel very soon, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of it. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous? Should I put this back? Like, does this look weird? I don't know. Try it again. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you a couple of small hauls. One is it a haul? Can I call it a haul? It's really not a haul. Try it again. And I won a giveaway from Kelly, and I think she changed her name. What did she change it to? You might want to look at that. Let's do it again. Okay, guys, so let's start with that was awesome. Subscribe. Try it again. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with the giveaway that I won from Kelly. Again, her channel name is, that's the name. She changed it. I got to remember it. Okay, hold on. Her channel name is called Kelly's Unboxing Addiction, and she has all kinds of fun stuff going on her channel. She is doing a lot of things where you can get things, boom, bam, yes, go check her out. Wow. Again, her channel name is called Kelly's Unboxing Addiction. And although she does a lot of unboxing on her channel, unboxing. Yeah, try it again. Okay, guys, so if you're not familiar with Doxazo Designs, it is a small business that has a... Yeah. I think I totally said that wrong. Try it again. Okay, guys, so if you're not familiar... No? Yeah? Yeah, try it again. From Doxazo Designs. I'm really excited about what I got from there, so I'm going to share that with you. Share it. Boom! We are on a roll, dude. Try it again. But I wanted to share with you guys because she has a lot of great pieces of jewelry that she hand makes with her hands. I meant to say on her store. Try it again.